Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're unable to install Google Chrome and you are encountering the error message 0xA043071 on your Windows computer. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving it. So we're going to first start by opening up a web browser if one is not already open. So ironically, I'm going to use Google Chrome to actually open this up, but you guys can use a different web browser if you choose. It doesn't have to be Google Chrome here, but I'm just going to open it up because that's what I usually use. And I'm going to have a link in the description of my video to the enterprise web page of Google Chrome here. Just go ahead and let this load for a moment. And select the Get Chrome Browser button. And now you can select the Chrome bundle. So if you're running a 64-bit operating system, select that one. Otherwise, if a 32-bit computer, we're going to go select this one. Most of you guys are going to be using the 64-bit one though, however. So just going to have to give it a moment here. Okay, so now that the compressed file is downloaded, we're just going to go ahead and open that up. Might have to give it a moment to load up here. And we're going to go double click on the installers folder, and then there should be a Google Chrome standalone enterprise in here. Just go ahead and just drag that over to the desktop. Close it here, and now we're going to go double click on this installer file. And then once you get a user account control prompt here, go ahead and select yes. And there you go, guys, simple as that. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.